Hey guys, it is December the 26th, 2024, and today I'm going through my computer, offloading a few of the old videos that were never produced, some old Hawaii videos, Disney videos. Getting ready to go back to Hawaii next month, actually just a little over 2 weeks. Heading back to Hawaii, going to get you some more videos there. But starting for 2025, I'm going to try to do a video every day, just like a daily video vlog. I do have my new man cave slash monster lab that is coming together. We've set this up this year. Hopefully it'll give me more opportunity to show how I build Halloween decorations, such as this mausoleum here and other projects. Going to be getting you video from around the Gulf Coast, different vacation trips, but going to start 2025 off with a little daily vlog. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. Here we go.